Alright, gloriously bad cell phone video. One of the ESU 58724 boards fitted to a Kato ACS64. Normally I don't fit speakers in the fuel tank, but that's been cut out. It's been fitted down, and I wormed the speaker wires down. I'll have to modify the inside of the shell so the body will lock down, but it's been reprogrammed. ESU doesn't have an ACS64 sound file that I'm aware of, so I just loaded a AEM7 file on there. Sounded a little bit better than a GE ES44 sound file. So anyways, we'll go for light. Obviously this is subject to change. I'm not sure what exactly an electric's supposed to sound like, but very short test track here, so this is on a LokProgrammer. Anywho, this is my craptastic video. Sound for the ACS64. Have a wonderful evening. Alright, so here we have a Kato ACS64 that I have converted to sound. This model features a 58741 V5 board that's been fitted in there, and for the placement of the speaker that has an 11 by 15 ESU sugar cube with like next to no baffle on it because it won't fit. The frame in here was dismantled. As down in what would be these electrical boxes on a diesel would be the fuel tank. Not sure what you would call it on there. Everything's crammed in there, and as of right now, ESU does not have a ACS64 sound file, so I loaded their S0595 AEM7 sound file that they have on there. It sounds pretty decent. I'm not entirely sure what an electric locomotive should sound like. I am not a modeler of Eastern stuff, so, but anyways, we will go ahead and we'll get this fired up and we'll give it a few laps around. And there you go. Kato ACS64 with an ESU 58741 sound decoder installed. Have a great day.